Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ripple. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a couple weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis 24 hours ago, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from, and they're still definitely going to pertain to the chart. Remember, cryptos are open 24/7, so if you were watching this video 10-15 hours from now, the chart is going to look different to you. But my goal here is to make sure that this video can still offer you some value by still letting you kind of have an idea of where things stand as far as the current status of the chart. In order to accomplish that, I just want to talk about more so broad levels and then walk you through a couple questions to ask yourself. So the first level that I do want to point out, though, is right here at 50 cents, which is the green line down here. Talked about this yesterday, and over the past 24 hours, definitely has once again been confirmed as an area of support. You can see a few hours ago the price did actually go down around 50 cents, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did a great job of holding strong. So that is definitely still, that near-term level of support. You can see back here over the weekend, the bears tried several times to push down through there, but it's become very apparent that there are quite a few buyers right there. But that does also lead off to the first question. So we'll go with the 15-hour number. So let's say you're watching this video 15 hours from now. Very first question you need to ask yourself is, well, where's the price relative to 50 cents? If you are answering that the price is still up above it, perfect. That means kind of one of those no news is good news type situations where there's nothing massively bearish going on. Now, on the flip side, if you're answering that the price is actually down below 50, then it becomes kind of a matter of, just use your gut instincts, use a little common sense. I mean, if the price is all the way down there compared to, just barely below it, well, then obviously if it's barely below it, okay, that's not exactly great. But if the price is, let's say down at 45 cents, for example, that would be a sign that things are looking pretty rough. And I actually lied. I kept calling this 50 cents. This is actually 47 cents. So excuse me on that. 47 cents is that key level of support that you need to ask yourself about. So where's the price relative to 47? If the price is still up above it, then again, kind of one of those no news is good news things. On the flip side, then you have to ask yourself, okay, well, where's the price relative to the red line here, which is valued at 50 cents? If you're answering that the price is below 50 cents but above 47, then one word can summarize that price movement, and that would just be consolidation. Now, if you're answering the question that the price is actually up above 50, that would just be a sign that the bulls have not only started to show some signs of power, but have actually shown quite a bit of power, because that would imply that the price is not only stabilized down here, but also went all the way back up there and then gotten the breakout of that. So that would be pretty crazy. So again, 15 hours from now, if its price is up above 50, just take that as a sign that the bulls are having themselves a very nice 24-hour period. But all in all, still all boils down to the 50-cent mark as resistance, 47-cent mark as support. So we'll see how this one continues to play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.